Oshiomhole reacts to court's order, reviews next move. For Adams Oshiomhole, the order of the court for him to vacate his office means nothing. Oshiomhole said that he has appealed the decision of the court delivered by Justice Danlami Senshi. The embattled APC boss insisted that he will hold on to his office while the case is still being looked at by the Court of Appeal. The embattled national chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC, Adams Oshiomhole, has declared that he will hold on to his office. Oshiomhole, who was ordered by a Federal Capital Territory FCT High Court to step aside as the APC boss, said on Wednesday, March 4, that he has filed for a stay of execution of the court's order, Nigerian Tribune reports. Oshiomhole's media aide, Simo Egbebulun, revealed that his principal had already appealed the ruling of the High Court presided over by Justice Danlami Senshi. Egbebulun said that until the Court of Appeal makes a decision on Oshiomhole's application, he remains the national chairman of the APC. Meanwhile, Biafra Broadcast 247 reported that shortly after the suspension of Oshiomhole, the National Working Committee of the APC had approved the nomination of Waziri Bulama as the party's acting national secretary. The committee also approved the nominations of Abiola Ajimobi as the deputy national chairman South and Paul Chukwuma as the national auditor. Biafra Broadcast 247 gathered that the announcement was contained in a statement released by the party's national publicity secretary, Malam Lanle Issa Onuli, on Wednesday night, March 4. The deputy national chairman of the party in the Northeast, Salihu Mustafa, raised question the nomination of Waziri as the party's acting national secretary. He alleged that a meeting held to determine who would occupy the position ended without any decision. However, the statement by Issa Onuli said the decision to appoint Waziri as the party's national secretary by the NWC was reached in January during the meeting of the NWC. Similarly, Biafra Broadcast 247 reported that the acting national secretary of the APC, Chief Victor Giadom, had said the ruling party would respect the court order suspending Oshiomhole. Giadom, in his reaction, told newsmen the party would abide by the order. The acting national secretary of the All Progressive Congress, Chief Victor Giadom, has reacted to Oshiomhole's suspension. Giadom reportedly told newsmen that the ruling party will obey the court order suspending the embattled APC chairman. Oshiomhole was asked to step down pending determination of the substantive suits seeking his removal as the APC chairman. The acting national secretary of the All Progressive Congress APC, Chief Victor Giadom, has said the ruling party will respect the court order suspending its national chairman, Adams Oshiomhole. The Nation reports that Giadom, in his reaction, told newsmen the party will abide by the order. An earlier report by Biafra Broadcast 247 indicated that Oshiomhole was on Wednesday, March 4, suspended as the national chairman of the ruling APC by a Federal Capital Territory High Court in Jabi. Justice Danlami Senshi, presiding over the matter, ordered Oshiomhole to step down pending the determination of the substantive suit seeking his removal as the APC chairman. This ruling is coming after the Edo State chapter of the ruling party suspended him as a member of the APC in the state. Oluwale Afolabi, in his application dated and filed on Thursday, January 16, named Oshiomhole as the first respondent, while the APC is the second respondent. Afolabi went on to note that Oshiomhole, who is currently suspended by the party, has not challenged the suspension and cannot continue to function as the party's chairman. Biafra Broadcast 247 previously reported that 2 Southwest governors were fingered in series of protests to remove Oshomole as the national chairman of the APC. The governors were said to have sponsored a phony survey that would establish false information accusing Oshomole as the primary cause of the ongoing crisis in Edo State. A former Speaker of the House of Assembly, Thomas Okosun, and former spokesman to Governor Godwin Obaseki, John Mayaki, in a statement in Abuja, said that the 2 Southwest governors were working with Governor Obaseki on the plot targeted at gathering alleged false information that would be used to plot the removal of Oshomole as the party's national chairman. In a related development, the Edo State chapter of the party has reviewed why Oshomole should step down after the members of the National Working Committee (NWC) of the APC reportedly walked out on him. Oshomole's suspension, as expected, has sparked up heated arguments and reactions from Nigerians on social media. Lekan Adigun on Twitter had this to say: "I'm beginning to think the courts are assuming the powers they don't have. Judges will soon start arrogating to themselves the power to appoint party chairs. The powers to discipline party officers are internal disciplinary mechanisms." Obi Nwansu said, "Oshomole has just been suspended as APC chairman. The internal dirty politics for 2023 has officially commenced." Oloye Ayo Gbadebo wrote, "After suspending Oshomole, courts should extend the courtesy to the Southwest too. Abi in no touch party leader, faced with tears of joy. High Court, please, suspend everybody. They are not doing well, Jare." Osima commented, "Can't wait for Adams Oshomole to give his own interpretation of the court suspension. Oshomole is unshakable. Obaseki and co. can only try their best to dislodge him, but to their greatest surprise, they will never succeed. Those few men against Adams are obviously not loyal to the APC party and its cause. They are good for nothing. Good-looking eggs," General Michael Akanji wrote. My wonderful viewers, this podcast is coming your way live and direct from Biafra Broadcast 247, a channel that is always committed to supplying you legit information as it pertains to happenings around the world. Feel free to drop whatever views or opinions you have concerning this post right there at the comment section. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you are visiting this channel for the first time. And also for more videos like this, turn on that bell icon to always be the first to get an update anytime we upload a new video. See you next time. God bless you.